Welcome to Reviews for Use, where we turn your kitchen into a culinary playground. Today, we're diving into the world of KitchenAid, a brand that's synonymous with quality and innovation. We've got the scoop on the 7 best KitchenAid mixer attachments that are revolutionizing kitchens in 2024. Whether you're grinding, spiraling, rolling, or shredding, these attachments are here to elevate your cooking game. Stay tuned as we unveil each gadget, showcasing their top-notch features and how they can transform your ingredients into masterpieces. Get ready to be inspired, because your KitchenAid is about to become your most versatile kitchen companion yet. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to keep up with all our latest reviews. Let's get started. First one on the list is KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer and Shredder. This attachment is your secret weapon for slicing and shredding with precision and ease. Say goodbye to the tedious task of hand grating cheese or vegetables. With this gadget, you can transform blocks of cheese into perfectly shredded piles, ready for melting or sprinkle over your favorite dishes. And it's not just cheese. This slicer handles vegetables like a pro, turning potatoes, carrots, and onions into finely sliced or shredded components for any recipe. It comes with 3 different blades, ensuring the right cut for every task, whether it's coarse shredding or fine slicing. The stainless steel cutting barrels are built to last, handling all of daily kitchen tasks. Next attachment is a standout, highly praised for its ease of use, quality, and cleaning. KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder. Crafted from durable metal, it's designed to keep your meat cold for an optimal grind, ensuring that your homemade burgers and sausages are of the highest quality. With a variety of grinding plates and sausage stuffer tubes included, you can customize the texture and size of your grind to suit any recipe. Whether you're making a classic beef patty or venturing into homemade bratwurst, this attachment has you covered. Elevate your home cooking to a professional level. It's a game changer for those who value freshness and quality in their ingredients. Unleash a whirlwind of creativity in your kitchen with the KitchenAid Spiralizer attachment. This innovative tool is a must-have for food enthusiasts looking to add a twist of fun and health to their meals. With its premium metal construction and multiple blade options, it offers unparalleled versatility to peel, core, slice, and spiralize a variety of fruits and vegetables. Whether you're crafting delicate zucchini noodles, creating beautiful apple spirals for a pie, or prepping veggies for a vibrant salad, this attachment makes it all a breeze. The convenience doesn't stop there. The blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as easy as the prep work. Plus, the included storage case keeps everything organized and accessible for your next culinary adventure. The KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Attachment. This exquisite set is a testament to KitchenAid's legacy of culinary excellence, offering both novices and seasoned pasta enthusiasts the tools to create authentic, fresh pasta with remarkable ease. The set includes a pasta roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter, each crafted from premium stainless steel to ensure durability and consistent performance. The pasta roller smoothly transitions from thick to thin sheets, perfect for lasagna or ravioli, while the cutters produce classic spaghetti and hearty fettuccine noodles with precision. What makes this attachment a standout is its seamless integration with the KitchenAid stand mixer, utilizing the mixer's power hub to operate. This synergy not only saves counter space, but also amplifies the mixer's versatility, transforming it into a pasta-making powerhouse. The KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment is turning your mixer into a full-fledged pasta extruder. This attachment is celebrated for its durability and ease of use, allowing you to create an array of pasta shapes right at home. With 6 interchangeable pasta plates, you can craft everything from spaghetti to macaroni, ensuring your pasta dishes are always fresh and exciting. Users love the fun of making their own pasta and the simplicity of the process, which is complemented by clear instructions and a cleaning tool to keep your pasta press in top condition. Whether you're a seasoned pasta maker or new to the game, the KitchenAid Pasta Press Attachment is a must-have for anyone looking to bring the authentic taste of Italy into their kitchen. The KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment. This attachment is a powerhouse of versatility, allowing you to dice, slice, shred, and julienne with ease. Its robust design and metal construction promise durability and performance that stands the test of time. Users have found this attachment to be a game changer in the kitchen, particularly praising its dicing capability, which is a standout feature not commonly found in other food processors. The wide feed tube accommodates large ingredients, reducing pre-cutting, and the exact slice system ensures consistent, precise cuts every time. Whether you're preparing a quick salad or an elaborate meal, this attachment is designed to handle all your food processing needs, making it an essential tool for any home chef looking to streamline their cooking process. And last but not least, the KitchenAid Shave Ice attachment is a delightful addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love to indulge in icy treats. This attachment is praised for its great quality and ease of operation, making it a favorite for summer entertaining. With the ability to create perfectly shaped shave ice blocks using the included molds, this attachment transforms your stand mixer into a shave ice machine that churns out fluffy, finely shaved ice. Whether you're in the mood for a classic Hawaiian shave ice or a Japanese-style kakigori, this attachment can handle it all, offering adjustable blade settings to customize the texture of your ice. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a taste of the tropics or simply cool down on a hot day, bringing a touch of fun and flavor to your home. And there you have it. We've explored 7 best KitchenAid attachments that are making waves in 2024. From transforming cheeses and veggies with the slicer to spiraling into health with the Spiralizer, your kitchen has never been more equipped. Remember, every dish tells a story, and with these attachments, you're sure to craft tales of culinary wonder that will tantalize taste buds and create lasting memories. So don't just cook, create, innovate, and enjoy every slice, shred, and spiral of your kitchen journey. If you love this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious content, and smash that bell icon to stay updated on all things cooking. We can't wait to bring you more reviews that help you make the most of your KitchenAid mixer. Until next time, keep mixing things up, and remember, every meal is an opportunity for magic. Happy cooking!